Imagine waking up feeling light, refreshed, and full of energy. No more chronic fatigue, no more frequent illness. And all it takes is simple salt and 1 minute of your time. This isn't hype. It's an ancient wellness practice that's been quietly passed down for generations. Modern science is only now beginning to understand its full power. So why salt? Salt is a natural antiseptic with anti-inflammatory properties. But it's not just about gargling or bathing. The real secret lies in gently cleansing specific areas of the body, especially the back of the neck, underarms, chest, and lower abdomen, with a warm saline solution. This simple ritual improves lymph flow, boosts adrenal function, and helps your body release toxins, naturally. Just mix 1 teaspoon of sea or table salt into a glass of warm water. Soak a cloth or cotton pad and gently wipe the areas mentioned. Do this 2 to 3 times a week for just 5 minutes. People report clearer skin, deeper sleep, less pain, and more energy in just days. Even Japanese studies show it helps reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, and improves circulation. For extra benefit, pair this with warm lemon water, light stretching, or herbal teas like chamomile or ginger. And don't forget your feet. Soak them in warm salted water. It's an easy way to relieve fatigue, headaches, and even anxiety. Try it for 5 days. Your body will thank you. Subscribe for more natural health tips that really work, because your wellness is in your hands.